Pros and cons Merch by Amazon and Amazon seller account. Are you ready to make money on Amazon but unsure whether to go with Merch by Amazon or an Amazon seller account? In today's video, I'll break down both options, give you step-by-step guides to get started, and share real-life success stories to inspire you. Let's dive in. Let's start with Merch by Amazon. This is a print-on-demand service where you upload your designs, and Amazon takes care of the rest: printing, shipping, and customer service. Here's why it's amazing. No inventory hassle, focus on designs, and Amazon handles the logistics. Free to join, no upfront costs to get started. Creative freedom, you're in charge of the designs. Pro tip: use tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator to create eye-catching, copyright-compliant designs. Now, let's talk about the Amazon seller account. This platform allows you to sell a wide range of products from physical goods to digital items. Here's why it's great. More product options, sell almost anything. Higher profit potential, with the right strategies, you can scale fast. Global marketplace, reach millions of customers worldwide. Quick tip: if you're unsure about inventory, try starting with dropshipping or print on demand. Here's how to get started with Merch by Amazon. Apply for an account. It's invite only, so make sure your application stands out. Upload your designs, create unique designs, add SEO-optimized titles, and write engaging descriptions. Set your price. Amazon shows you the base cost, so you can set a selling price that earns a profit. Example: if the base cost is $10.54, and you sell at $19.99, you'll make $9.45 per sale. Here's how to set up an Amazon seller account. Choose a plan. Individual, $0 upfront but 99 cents per item sold. Professional, $39.99/month, ideal for scaling. Source your products. Store inventory, or use dropshipping or print-on-demand services like Printful. List your products, add high-quality images and SEO-optimized descriptions to attract buyers. Fulfill orders, use Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, or handle shipping yourself. Let's compare Merch by Amazon and an Amazon seller account. Merch by Amazon. Pros: low barrier to entry, easy to use, no inventory needed. Cons: limited product range, lower profit margins. Amazon seller account. Pros: more product options, higher profits, greater control. Cons: higher upfront costs, more complex to manage. To scale your business, consider outsourcing. For Merch by Amazon, hire designers on Fiverr and use virtual assistants, VAS, for uploading and SEO. For Amazon seller accounts, partner with reliable dropshipping suppliers and delegate customer service to VAS. FAQs time. Is Merch by Amazon free? Yes. You only pay for outsourced designs if needed. Can I use dropshipping with an Amazon seller account? Absolutely, but ensure your suppliers follow Amazon policies. Final tip: whether you choose Merch by Amazon or an Amazon seller account, start small, optimize your listings, and scale gradually. You've got this. Ready to turn your ideas into income? The time to start is now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite platform Merch by Amazon or Amazon seller account. Let's build your e-commerce empire together. For details visit the website mentions below in description.